Matthew. You look embarrassed right now.
Yeah, because you didn't use your words properly.
Yeah, Matthew. I said I'm gonna make vanilla extract. So I put vanilla beans in here, and I asked Matthew, what's a whiskey I can use to make vanilla extract?
You did not mention vanilla extract.
I've been saying I'm gonna make vanilla extract. So I put vanilla beans in here, chopped in half, and I threw it in here, and Weller apparently is like a good whiskey. I even topped it off. I even asked you, like, should I just leave it that way, or what's another one I can top it off with?
See, I didn't need it.
Anyways, well, whatever. At least I didn't use, like, something else. But I put it in there, and Matthew was like, so when can we drink? Have you tried this? And I'm like, what do you mean? He's like, yeah, like, have you tried it? When are we going to try it? How long does it take? And I'm like, I'm making vanilla extract for baking. And he's like, you didn't tell me that. So I told him, I was like, you can still try it. It's just vanilla. Like, no big deal. So I think at one point, probably honestly today, I'm down to try it with you. No lie. Anyways, just wanted to share that because I thought it was funny. Okay, hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's for me. Put it in the car. Apparently I got another package. I know what it is. Anyways, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all the social media. And today is Saturday, so we're gonna be running around a little bit. I think at one point we're gonna go visit Matthew's grandma. So I apologize about my appearance. I do not look cute, but whatever. I don't care. But hold on. Duck donuts. Look, cute little duckies. Have you seen the one where like they hide the little tiny duckies in the house? Are we gonna get a dozen? Oh, is this like ice cream? Bruh. That's insane. It's the coolest thing ever. I think we're 45. Sorry. Oh yeah, it looks so good. Thank you. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see or not, but I have some stuff to unbox. Starting with this, I'm so excited. Hopefully, I'm at my husband's barbershop and hopefully nobody parks next to me. I think somebody's about to park next to me. But this is a planner and it is in the A6. Oh my gosh, this is actually really pretty. Look at this. So I found this, it was so cheap, which is why I bought it and I didn't even think about it. Oh, see, this is a personal size. I hate when places say that it's a A6, but it's a personal size. But I can still work with this because I wanted something about this size, something small. And I think I could use this as a personal, like, wide. I'm not sure, but you see all that stitching on there? Like, this is actually really pretty. I got it on AliExpress. I was looking into getting the motor one, but I was scared that I wasn't gonna like the color because I was in between a black and a brown, and I ended up getting the black one because I want it to be more like, not neutral, but more like, what's the word, more like, I guess like versatile, where I can use it for winter, I can use it for summer, I can use it for whenever, and I kind of like the black better. The only thing is that these rings look small, so I may have to switch them out. I'll see how I can figure that out, but I would assume there's a way to take these out. If not, then that's fine. But yeah, I really like it. It does feel like, obviously not like leather, but for I think like $8 that I paid for, that's pretty good. So that's the first thing that I got. And then I got a package from Curvy. So I think I showed you all the package that I got from AliExpress, which was a Curvy package. And this one's their actual robe. So I'm not gonna take it out completely because I'm thinking about switching this out, but this is what this fabric looks like. It's more of like the terry cloth. So if you can see that. So this is so pretty. I'm so excited. But yay, I'm excited. I'm still gonna try this on just to know if this is the one that I'm gonna, like the size that I'm gonna keep, or if I'm gonna get a smaller size. So yay, I'm really excited. I'm most excited about this. So I can't wait to get home and set this up. And I like that it feels so like flimsy to like chunk it up. So I'm really excited. Anyways, I just wanted to show you all. I'm hanging out at my husband's barbershop, and then I think we may end up going to Matthew's, to the hospital to visit Matthew's grandma, and if not, we may go Christmas shopping. So we'll see. Anyways, I'll talk to y'all later. Isn't Ollie's like a national thing? What's funny is that we came to the cafeteria before visiting grandma, but it's okay, we were really hungry and we're gonna eat before anyways, so might as well eat here. Yeah, I got some hot Cheetos and a lemonade, and this is like a vegetable Mediterranean soup, I believe. It's really good. Hospital food, I just like it. I don't know why. What it's supposed to look like when I try to make